Welcome to 20 Muscle Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of performance machines. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated next-generation 2025 Chevy C10, a modern revival of the classic 1970 truck. Blending vintage charm with cutting-edge engineering, the new C10 keeps its iconic boxy design while incorporating a more aerodynamic stance, LED lighting, and a reworked grille that pays tribute to its heritage. The retro-modern appeal is further enhanced by bold color options and aggressive wheel designs. Inside, Chevy has taken a futuristic approach. A fully digital instrument cluster, massive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium leather seats with contrast stitching elevate the cabin. The C10 also features a state-of-the-art sound system, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced driver assistance technology for a smooth and secure ride. Under the hood, the 2025 C10 offers multiple powertrains, including a 6.2L V8 delivering 460 horsepower and an all-electric variant boasting over 500 horsepower with instant torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission ensures optimal performance, while the adaptive suspension system guarantees a comfortable yet dynamic drive. Tech-wise, it comes equipped with over-the-air updates, a 360-degree camera, and an AI-powered voice assistant. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, making it as smart as it is powerful. The starting price for the 2025 Chevy C10 is expected to be around $55,000, and, with fully loaded variants crossing the $70,000 mark. With its perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, this truck is set to redefine the classic American pickup. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe for the latest muscle car news.